CBSE learners. I hope yesterday you have revised your lesson on tense. Okay, so we have completed the present tense and its subdivisions. So now it's turn for past tense. So let's know first what is a past tense. So when you call a time of action as a past, whenever the action has happened earlier, not at that day. Okay, so whenever you are describing or narrating someone an incident which has happened in the past, that tense, that state of action or the time of action is known as past tense. So like present tense, past tense is also having equal number of subdivisions. Okay, so now let's see what are the subdivisions of a past tense, and same how to use and how to construct sentences in case of past tense we will learn today. Okay, so past tense, number one is simple past or past indefinite. Like simple present tense, past tense is also simple past or past indefinite. The second one will be past continuous. So like present, it will be past continuous. Next one will be past perfect. And the fourth one will be past perfect continuous. So already you know what is indefinite, continuous, perfect continuous. But you have learned all these things in case of present tense, but not in case of past tense. So today we will see how to use the sentences or form the sentences in case of past tense. So simple past means same thing when you are narrating a story or describing any incident which has happened in past, that is known as simple past. Okay, so whatever has happened earlier, that is simple past. Now what is past continuous? So when you use past tense, whenever you are narrating a story or whenever you are describing or saying some incident which has happened earlier, okay, in earlier times. So when in that earlier time, when you are saying the story but in that earlier time it was still going on, that is known as past continuous. And what is past perfect? While narrating the incident or narrating the story, where in that time, when you are saying a past story or an incident, before that if something happened, that is known as past perfect. You can call past perfect as earlier past also. Okay, because it happens before that incident which you are narrating. So past perfect can be called as an earlier past. Okay, now the fourth one is past perfect continuous. Now what is past perfect continuous? Same like present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous is also combination of perfect tense plus continuous tense. Okay, so past perfect, whenever earlier past is still going on in the past, is known as past perfect continuous. Okay, so past perfect is, but continuous is what? When the earlier past is still continuing in the past tense, when the past incident was happening, that is known as past perfect continuous. So past is nothing but what has happened earlier, and equally like continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense we have read in present tense, this will also be equal. Continuous means when the incident in the past is still continuing at that past time, that is known as past continuous tense. Past perfect continuous is known as earlier past. before the past incident, when one more incident happens, that is known as past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous is nothing but when the past perfect or earlier past has happened, but still it is continuing in the past tense, that is known as past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so now we will learn how to construct or form the sentences in past tense. So we will make our usual column. Singular, plural, and first person, second person, third person. So who is the first person? First person, while we are giving a speech or we are talking, first person is always I. Okay, so I is the first person, I, plural is we, second person is you, plural is you, same, third person he, she, or it, or any noun. Okay, and third person plural number is they. So in case of past tense, first we are learning simple past. This is simple past or past indefinite. Okay, so first now we need to take a verb. So I will continue with the same word eat. Okay, so what is the past form of eat? Because it is simple past tense, we are required to use the past form. Now what is the past form of eat? It is ate. So I ate food. We ate food. There will be no variations because it is past tense. Okay, you ate food. You ate food. He, she, or it, or any noun, as usual, it will be ate. Only in case of present tense, third person singular number, we are required to change the word with s. Or in case of third person singular number, present continuous tense, we will be using is. But in case of past tense, we will use the verb form ate. He or she or any noun ate food. They ate food. Okay. So the thing you need to remember is the formula will be subject. So this is the subject or this is the subject. So we need subject plus verb form. Which verb form? Past verb form. Past form of verb plus object. So there should be always an object. Without any object, you are not going to do any action, right? So this will be the formula: subject plus past form of verb plus object. Clear? So the past tense is very easy. Only thing you need to remember is you have to use the past form of a verb. Okay. Now next comes the past continuous tense. So let's see how we have to form the structure of past continuous tense. So what we are going to use now, we need one helping verb, right? So we need, I need to remove this one also because our subtopic is past continuous right now, right? Past continuous. Okay, so now it's time for continuous and we need a helping verb or an auxiliary verb. Okay, so what we require? We require one helping verb. So in case of past, what is the past of am? What is the past of are? Past of am is was. And past of is also was. So it will be, we have to use I was. And what is the past? Because it is past, we need to use the past form only. So what is the a past form of helping word are, it is word. So we word. Now what we need to use, same word we will continue, eat. So what, now in case of past continuous we will use the same present participle. Okay, so in we will use I was eating, means verb plus ing, because it is continuous. So what is the continuous form? Continuous form is verb plus ing. Always you have to remember. Don't confuse. If you are feeling it confusing, that present participle, past participle, don't remember. Remember only that continuous means gerund or ing form of verb. Whenever you will see continuous, always remember to use ing form of verb. Okay, so I was eating food. You were eating. You were eating. You were eating food. And he, she or it or any noun in case of, so what is the past form of is? Past form of is also was. Okay, so was eating. So in case of first person singular number and third person singular number, we will use was, and rest of the singular form, plural form, in every sentence we will use word, helping word. But only in case of first person singular number, third person singular number, we will use was. Okay, so any kind was eating food. They were eating food. Now let's construct the formula with the help of these examples. So first thing we require is the subject. It can be I, it can be we, it can be you, it can be any name, it can be two names, or it can be anything. Okay, any name of course, not any means, of course it should be name, not any other thing. Okay, so subject, who can do the action? Subject always does the action, right? So subject we require plus we need helping verb. Now it can be either was or were, because the past form of is, are and were is was or were. Okay, plus we need gerund form or verb plus ing plus object. So this is the formula how to construct the sentence in case of past continuous. That is subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. That is which verb form you have to use? Verb plus ing or gerund form of verb. Okay, so we have completed the past continuous. Next we will see the past perfect or earlier past. Okay. Now, what is earlier past? Earlier past is the past incident which has happened before we are narrating the past incident, right? So, what we have to use in case of perfect tense? Present perfect tense we have used have as helping verb. Now, what is the past form of have? Past form of have is had. Okay, so now in case of past perfect tense, we have to use the past perfect form. Past perfect tense. Okay, so I had. We need to use I had. We had. You had. He, she or it or any noun had. You had. They had. So in all the cases, you are required to use only had in case of past perfect tense. Okay. Now you need to require one more verb. So we will use the same verb with what we have continued till now. That is eat. So what is which form we need to use in case of perfect tense? It is the past participle form, right? So I had eaten. You had eaten. You had eaten. You had eaten. He, she, it or any other noun had also eaten. They had eaten. So what? Now the object will be food. Of course, food, mango, apple, whatever fruits, whatever object you can use. But the thing will be I have eaten food. You have eaten food. He had eaten food. Same. The object will be same. Okay. So now let's construct the formula. Subject plus had plus past participle form of verb plus object. Okay. So in case of past perfect tense, I had eaten food means at that point of time I had taken my food or eaten my food. Okay. In past, we had eaten food, you had eaten food, you had eaten food. In third person also will be same. He, she or it or any noun had eaten food. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the present, past perfect continuous tense, which is the last subdivision of past tense. Okay. So same things we have to use, that is helping verb will be same. I had, plural, this is past perfect continuous, means which has started in the earlier past but it is still continuing in the past means past tense. Okay. So I had been eating. So we have to use been, as it is combination of continuous plus perfect. We will use the past perfect had plus been plus the gerund form. Gerund form is what? Verb plus ing. That is eating food. We had been eating food when the incident happened. So these all things, we use with one more sentence. So one more means subordinate sentence, or you next in few further videos I will teach you clauses. So most of the time whenever you will read clauses, you will use these all sentences. Okay. So in next or upcoming videos I will give you the clause also. So I had been eating food. We had been eating food. Now in case of you will be the same. You had been eating food. You in plural also, second person plural number also will be same. You had been eating food. He, she or it or any name or noun had been eating food. They had been eating food. Okay. So from these I had been or these examples, you can easily form the structure or the formula for the present perfect, past perfect continuous tense. So it will be subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing form of verb plus object. So this is the formula for past perfect continuous tense. So past and present, I hope it is very much clear to you, and in my further videos, in my upcoming videos, I will teach you the future tense also, because if in one day I am going to, you will also become confused and the video will become lengthy and you won't feel to see the video, right? So just revise the present tense, past tense, stay at home, study hard, because this is the ultimate time you need to study, as you are not going through any classes, you are only taking the help of online classes. So for your further growth, you might be thinking that the schools are not going on and you are not going school. So this is only loss for you, not for the organizations. Okay, so you have to prepare well, you have to stay tuned along with your books or with us or with any the online classes. Okay, so stay tuned with us, follow our videos, watch our videos, and please, if you are having any kind of problem or any you need solutions from us in case of your studies, don't feel shy to pin down us in the comment section that what's your problem. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button, as it will notify you whenever we are posting our videos, new video. Okay, so thanks a lot for your support. Thanks and bye bye. Take care.